everybody, welcome to tonight's video. Tonight's video is very short. In it you will see a few photos. In the first photo you will meet the dad of the puppies. I hope you enjoy the short video. For the next couple of weeks, I will be doing videos of photos and video put togethers of the puppies that or even Amber, their mom, that weren't in the weekly videos if you've seen them. I will also be doing on Tuesday videos of my horses that again haven't been put in videos that I have posted earlier. I do hope you enjoy them all.